Paragraph number 5. Her grandfather, Abu Quhafa, was a non-believer at that time, and he was very old and had become blind. He said to her, Asma, I think Abu Bakr has taken all the wealth, leaving you and children empty-handed and helpless. At this, she instantly ran to a corner of the home, gathered some pebbles, and put them at the place where her father used to keep his money and jewels. She covered it with a piece of cloth. Come, father, look, he has left all this for us. He touched the cloth and thought it was full of gold and jewels. His concern was alleviated, and he felt relieved to know that Abu Bakr Siddiq had left all his wealth at home. Disbeliever means non-believer, empty-handed, having nothing. Instantly, hurriedly. Pebbles, pieces of stone. Alleviated, decreased. Lesson. Felt relieved, felt good. Free from stress. So, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, father, whose name was Hazrat Abu Quhafa, he was non-believer at that time, and he was very old and he was blind at the same time. And one day he had the fear that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu had taken all the wealth with him and leaving his children empty-handed and helpless. So one day he called Hazrat Asma R.A. and asked about whether he had taken all the wealth with him or not. Here again, we are going to see the wisdom of Hazrat Asma R.A. that how wisely she acted over here. When she came to know that grandfather is worried about the wealth or the money or jewels, she put some of the pebbles and then tied them in a piece of cloth and then asked his grandfather to touch it. And when grandfather touched that, he got relieved. He felt that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq had not taken the wealth with him. So at that moment, he felt good. He felt relief from the stress.